Local park renovations.
Local park renovations upset local man. Officials have announced that starting next week, renovations will begin on the local park. Many residents are excited about the news, considering the age and poor condition of the park's features. Who wouldn't love to see our park improved? Well, we recently interviewed a local man named Eddie. He told reporters that he spends 90% of his free time at the park, and he was not happy about the changes. City inspectors have called for immediate improvements to the park due to safety hazards like holes in the sidewalk. City inspectors have called for immediate improvements to the park due to safety hazards like holes in the sidewalk. Eddie described these renovations as unnecessary.
Jumping over the holes is a better workout than going. To the gym.
Eddie was also upset to learn that the pond will probably be closing for repairs, saying,
Why would they do that? Who will feed the ducks now? They'll be so lonely. At least I can still take my son to the playground.
which is true until next month, when that will be closing as well. When asked to comment, Eddie responded,
They're closing the playground too? But my son loves going down the slides.
When Eddie was informed that the mayor is considering a complete closure of the park for renovations, he cut off contact with the press, telling reporters,
I'm not sure if I should tell you about anything else I like, because then that might be shut down too.